So we have had the news just in the last few weeks actually about this commitment to ban the use of NDAs in specific cases, harassment being one of them and sexual harassment being one of them. This is a huge cultural shift as well as a legal one, and I'm wondering, how do you see this affecting employer practice?
I think it's huge because for so long it's been the way of employers dealing with a lot of these issues. Rather than addressing the problem, it's you pay someone off and hope it goes away. That option kind of goes away because it's not been reported very widely. Because that's part of the reason why they do it. What I'm hoping is it makes employers take this more seriously. The fact that they can't just pay and brush it under the carpet. Employees are going to have to live this for longer. Tribunals are already struggling in terms of workload. You're probably looking at a minimum of 12 months from when you issue your claim to get into a hearing. Anyone who's been cross-examined at a hearing of any kind will tell you it's not a pleasant experience. And the idea that a lot of people will not be able to move on from what's happened whilst this is going on. So that's my concern with this.
Is there any kind of parting advice that you'd leave people with?
Don't ignore this. It's the worst thing you can do on this topic is assume because it's never happened in your industry, in your business, it will never happen. Just because it's never been reported to you doesn't mean it isn't happening. Maybe that someone's just suffering in silence. So, assume that it can happen and take the steps that we've been through.